This is the Maren Model 72 horizontal closed end baler, 15 horsepower, 460 volts, 3-phase. Machine is very straight, in good condition. No oil leaks. Clean electric panel. Six-inch bore cylinder. REC stock number 4964. For operation, we'll open the door in hand mode. Door cylinder's open, door's completely opened up, and then we retract the cylinder rod so that it does not get damaged. Push and hold the retract button, generates hydraulic pressure to retract the cylinder. With the baler put into automatic, first stroke, the ram goes forward. And retracts. Then shuts itself off. We're blocking the photocell right now. There's approximately a 5-second delay, which is adjustable. The machine starts itself up and again goes through a complete cycle. When the ram has finished its cycle, machine shuts off and waits for another charge. Viewed from the inside, we'll cycle it again in automatic. Cycling the machine in auto with the rear cover removed. The eye is blocked, the machine starts its cycle. You can see there's no oil leaks, cylinder is dry, no scoring on the rod. Retracts fully, and normally this guard here would be covering that back plate.